How to create an account in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new account. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this contents option. Simply tap on contents. Here, you'll be able to see two different options: continue with Google and continue with Facebook. So here, you can directly create an account. So here I'm tapping on continue with Google. So it will take some time. Now select the Google ID or the Google which you want to log in with. Here I'm tapping on one. Now it will take some time, so simply tap on continue. So it's getting signed in. Now your Google account will be connected with this and you have created a new account. Here you will be even provided with your personal space and you can even save your projects here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.